Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering One YouTube channel. I am Abhishek Kumar and I hope you all are doing good and you have done good in first semester exam. So first semester is completed now and you all are going to enter into the second semester and you all are aware that on this channel I have uploaded AKTU previous year questions related numericals on this channel, and these numericals will be from the fundamentals of electronics engineering as well as some videos also available for the engineering mathematics 1. So now as the next semester is starting soon, so I will launch the some more courses on this channel, and these courses will be full syllabus courses, right? So what are these new courses I will discuss in this video. So this video is regarding the new courses that will be uploaded on this channel, and these courses will be for the VTech first year students only, and the courses will be as per the AKTU syllabus, and the first course that will be uploaded on the channel is fundamentals of electronics engineering, and the code for this subject is BEC 101. अगर आपने ये कोर्स फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में पढ़ा है देन द कोड इज 101, एंड सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में भी स्टूडेंट पढ़ेंगे इस सब्जेक्ट को देन द कोड इज BEC 201. तो यहाँ पे आपको जो कोड के आगे लिखा होता है BEC, ये जो नंबर लिखा है 2, इसका मतलब है ये सेकेंड सेमेस्टर के लिए है, और यहाँ पे जो 1 लिखा है इसका मतलब ये फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के लिए है. ठीक है ना. तो जो फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग है ये फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में भी स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ते हैं, साथ ही साथ सेकंड सेमेस्टर में भी स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ते हैं. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ईयर में होता क्या है, 2 ग्रुप्स डिवाइड होते हैं. तो जो स्टूडेंट फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ चुके हैं वो सेकंड सेमेस्टर में क्या पढ़ेंगे, फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ेंगे, और जिस स्टूडेंट्स ने फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ा था वो इस सेमेस्टर में क्या पढ़ेंगे, फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग, and the code for the second semester is BEC 201, right? So this course is also for VTech first year student for both first semester as well as in second semester, right? So full syllabus course for this subject electronics engineering will be uploaded on this channel, right? This is the first subject that will be coming soon on this channel. Other than that, one more subject will also be uploaded on this channel, and the subject is engineering mathematics second, right? And the code for this subject is VAS 203. और ये जो कोर्स होता है दिस कोर्स इज ओनली फॉर बीटेक सेकेंड सेम स्टूडेंट. फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में जो मैथ का कोर्स रहता है वो रहता है इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स 1, बट इन सेकेंड सेम इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स सेकेंड, एंड द कोड इज VAS 203, एंड दिस कोर्स विल बी लर्न बाई बोथ ग्रुप्स. जो 2 ग्रुप होते हैं फर्स्ट ईयर में, दोनों ही ग्रुप में मैथ का कोर्स सेम रहता है, राइट? सो दिस इज फॉर ऑल द फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स, एंड दिस कोर्स इज ओनली फॉर सेकेंड सेमेस्टर, राइट? फॉर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर the subject is engineering mathematics 1, but for the second semester all students will learn engineering mathematics 2. This course will run in second semester, right? And these 2 courses will be taken by me. So let us discuss about myself first. So my name is Abhishek Kumar, and let us discuss about some of the credentials and experience. So I have done MTech in VLSI design from NIT Kurukshetra. So here the VLSI means very large scale integration. So current में जो सिनारियो चल रहा है वो VLSI में बहुत ज्यादा लीड कर रहा है. करंट में जितना भी सेमीकंडक्टर के बारे में आप सुन रहे हो कि गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कि गवर्नमेंट इस टाइम पे VLSI डिजाइन में बहुत फोकस कर रही है, तो यहाँ पे जो VLSI डिजाइन है ये काफी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी आने वाली है आने वाले टाइम में, और अभी भी बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. तो अगर आपको VLSI डिजाइन में करियर बनाना हो तो उसके बारे में भी आप हमसे डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो आई हैव डन MTech in this VLSI design course from the NIT Kurukshetra. Other than that, I have qualified GATE exam multiple times with 3-digit All India rank, right? This is a national level exam which is conducted by IITs. And other than that, I have also qualified DRDO scientist exam. अगर मैं अपने टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस की बात करूं तो आई हैव 8 years of teaching experience. Other than that, I have also mentored many students for various competitive exams, and these exams are national level exam like GATE, which I have already discussed. This exam is a national level exam which is conducted by IITs and IISc, right? Other than that, I have also mentored students for the scientist port in prestigious organizations such as ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, as well as DRDO and BARC, right? Bhabha Atomic Research Center, and this is Defense Research and Development Organization, right? DRDO. Other than that, PSU, this is called Public Sector Undertaking. So I have mentored many students. So some of my students are working in ISRO as scientists. Also, my students also working in the PSU such as Coal India Limited, which is a Maharatna company. Other than through GATE examination, my students also studying in IITs which are doing MTech in the same field of VLSI design, right? So these are some of the credential and experience of mine. So you can enjoy these two subjects, that is fundamentals of electronics engineering as well as engineering mathematics, and these two subjects will be deal conceptually on this platform. So when these courses will be coming, so these courses will be starting soon, and most probably in the first week of April we will start these two courses on this engineering वन यूट्यूब चैनल. और अगर हम बात करें कि अदर कोर्सेज आपके और भी इस चैनल पे लॉन्च होंगे या नहीं होंगे, तो आई विल एश्योर यू सम मोर कोर्सेज विल आल्सो लॉन्च इन दिस चैनल, on this channel, and the more courses will be launched in the month of April. And friends, अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, then subscribe to our channel first and also share the channel with your friends so that we can connect with more students and more students will get benefit from these lectures, because these lectures will have high quality of concept discussion. So share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed the channel, then subscribe it. I hope I have shared the information about the new courses. So 2 courses will be coming soon and more courses will be launched in the next month, that is in the month of April, right? Thank you dear all.